Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. As you all know, I am in Banks Music. Today I'll be showing you how to beef up your kick in order for it to hit harder. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you as you do so, and hit the notification button to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, now all that being said, let's dive straight to the tutorial. So I'm going to be pulling up a kick from the FL Studio default pack. I'll be pulling up a kick from the FL Studio default pack. You go to packs, drums, kick. Okay, I'm going to be pulling up this 808 kick. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be filling each first step. Bring down the BPM to 100. Okay, so this sound punchy and cool. So I'm going to be looking for another kick. Okay, let me use this kick. Okay, the difference between these two kick, the 808 kick sound more punchy and hard, while the 707 kick sound very dead. It's not punching that hard. So what you're going to do, you're going to double click, left click twice on this to pull up the channel settings. You go to this envelope here, turn all this down, and maybe turn this up to where you want it to be. Channel settings, you go back to this sample settings, you see this pre-computed effects, you click it, this box will show up. You make sure you click on the clip and you boost the kick over here. Now when you play it, you can see it's becoming more punchy. That's one way to boost your kick. So if we do the same for the 808 kick, go to pre-computed, you can see it's more punchy. The kick is more punchy than before. So this is one way to boost your kick in FL Studio. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.